Annyeong everyone, I am EJ Jungkook with user ID of 5364479. I am very grateful to be part of this EJ family, and kagaya niya rin po ako, I am a person with dreams, with goals, and a big heart of learning and growing with others. So, how I became part of EJ family? A friend of mine from another app invited me here in Popo, and gumagala-gala lang ako, and na-familiar ko yung cover ni founder na ginamit niya dito sa Popo, which is ginamit niya din doon sa kabilang app. Kaya parang sabi ko, parang familiar to, kaya nag-join na lang ako, pumasok ako sa panel, and bigla na lang ako nag-comment na pa-join po ng agency without expecting something kasi bago pa ako noon. And Tita V was the one who entertained me, guide me, and hindi naman siya napagod sa akin. And I'm very thankful kasi dito ako napadpad, and I know it is not an accident kasi alam ko nandito ako for a reason, for a purpose. My experiences here in AJ has been full of learning, full of growing, full of laughter, and full of friendships. Ako ay sumasali sa mga monthly challenge, PLC, SLC, OPK, or kahit anong kaganapan. And because of that, marami akong nakikilalang tao, and hindi ko inaakala na magiging parte na siya ng journey ko sa buhay. So what makes me stay in EJ? I stay because of love and support that I feel here. The feeling of being accepted and appreciated. Tutulungan ka nila para ikaw ay mag-go, ikaw ay mag-grow, at ikaw ay mag-glow. Yung mga nakatago mong talento, yung mga nakatago mong kakayanan, tutulungan ka nila para mas maipapakita mo pa yung sarili mo. And EJ Agency is not just a group, but it is a family where everyone is welcome regardless of age, gender, bata ka man o matanda, everyone are welcome. So what makes me say yes to being a team leader is because I want to give back. Maybe sa ganitong paraan, I can guide and I can help others the way EJ family helped me. And being a team leader is not about being perfect, but it's about being kind, being understanding, and most of all, having a heart of EJ. And I want to be someone who encourages others even in simple way. Ang unforgettable moment ko during PLC is nung first time kong maging TL. Kasi hindi ko alam kung ano yung gagawin ko. Ako ay isang mahiyain. Laging tulog, yung sleeping princess ng EJ. Ayun, yung taong takot mag-open mic, takot sa camera. Ayun, best experience ko talaga yung naging first team leader ko kasi wala akong choice kung hindi magsalita, mag-entertain ng mga viewers at ng mga members at mag-guide sa kanila. And hindi ko naman yun pinagsisisihan kasi dahil napilitan ako mag-guide, magsalita, ako ay natuto. So, parang hindi ako magiging ganito ngayon kung hindi dahil kay founder sa tiwala niya na ako ay gawing isang team leader sa isang team, and ako ay nag-go, ako ay nag-grow, at ako ay nag-glow. And I think sa mga EJ na nakakilala sa akin dati na laging tulog, laging pasaway, ayan, makikita talaga nila yung growth ko dito sa EJ Agency. Kaya sa lahat ng mga EJ Angels dyan na nahihiya, okay lang yan kasi dyan naman tayo nagsimula. Dyan ako nagsimula. And I encourage you all to join our monthly challenge, PLC man, SLC, or OPK. Kasi dyan tayo natututo and mas marami tayong makikilalang tao. Kaya ano pang hinihintay ninyo? Join us. Sa lahat ng EJ, suportahan niyo po kami sa aming journey bilang mga team leaders, and sama-sama tayong mag-go, grow, and glow dito sa EJ Agency, EJ Family.